What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kakasi Students Union Narpu Circle kala persya yaga public hearing jonga company MS Green Valley Industries Limited kabala pelong halum shnong hagakatan risa. Ya ka public hearing ni ka jingpan sengopat ba na pelong da Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB halur ka jingtmu jonga MS Green Valley Industries Limited banti motion hakajaka kabahe sabusa point sanbapra hectare kabatip kung serve larung limestone deposit kabadan serve larung lumshno ka jingpersya jongga KSU Narpu Circle kalong halor ka nongrim bagi company ki wan ban penjat ya kamaryang om bakin penbha kilong shwa manshwai kila penyo ya ka khendau ka syam kade ka kamram ka pateng menta ban sumar sukher ka ong president ka KSU Narpu Circle ma KS Suchang
Tengi wan hangne da kamesim jong ka jingkoi da kamesim ka jisiok ya nagamta kamaryang hoi nyimdon kanu ka jimut shalandak hanrai ka jimut hi tanggawai kalong bangin kram baik hagijing de bat kamaryang kedon ka jingong babalai ka KSU ka yang hadu kana khlimat ka KSU ka yang hadu kana khlimat kalong bangiyo i bagi company kimsam labut setia kendon ain yada maryang kene ka pausay bat pisaki kata kay ka balajia bat kanu tuliki company ki badon hapo ka ilaka jangi ki klembut setia yai kendon ain yada maryang hoi ki ai kam ai jam ki ai ki development hapo ka ilaka jangi handai habangi phai pat si ka maryang kanu ngi yang khang kay ka banjia ya kalawe ki khun ki ti ki jongi ya mentang ni impoho hoi kadang ka jingong jong we rustak bagalong kumne kaspa ngiyo mentang idang la banyo ya ka kaspa banyo mentang kadang la ban sya luti kaspa bangiyo kadang la ban jot ha kawe gasni handre kane ka khandau ka ciap ka ba ki long shwa mun shwa ki ai ngi da ka jingile da ka snam ka kamram jungi ka dai iwe pewe bangin tengkai ya ka kada kamram jungi iwe pewe ban tengkai ya ka hoi ngim semut ngam semut ban ong bangi dia khandau ka siap jungi handre ngidi ya kata ka jaka bakit bendon kam banti ya emotion hagani ka jaka ka bahe kumba piyo iyang pe saw point sanu pra hektar ngong pi balada ka company boro hadin bakil pendap ya kuno ka jaka ti emotion jongki ki bot tik kat ku kendon ain yada maryang ni nongkong ni pediang handai ni yoi bai company kimsam le kumta ki penjot nang ta ki e chana kumto hang hato dangla anem ban pedim pat yak tu kamaryang da ka basuk ngaong la company ki simni ka jingkit khle ki la ban penimbyang ya ka tu kamaryang baka inbyang session handai kim le kumta hajaga bakin le kumta ki siu ya ka kuna cha ka sarkar kala map ki ta ke ka banjia hadin habut lada kumni kamaryang kana ya jot bat amdon par dok bahai ka ke ka banjia bat ngin yo i dalag jong kibat bang ngin don su agare portero tip kay ka banjia yagi kun kiti ki jong ajin pi te halor kana kanong rim bang KSU ka yang hadu menta bangi persya wal den jong pi kasan hande ne gleng KSU ngiwanang ne ban pendap la kamram bala pensiat hangi kublai sibon kublai siyaru kublai pi baro.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.